What's up, people? Today we're going to be doing a review of the EUFY Smart Video Doorbell right after this. What's up, everybody? If you're new to the channel, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do reviews and unboxings of all the latest tech. So if you like these type of videos, hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Alright, so let's get into the box. So this is the EUFY Security Wired Video Doorbell 1080p resolution and HDR. Got this from Amazon. I want to say this was about $100. So let's get into the box. So I'm going to be using this to replace my Ring video doorbell. The reason I went with this doorbell is it has facial recognition, and it also, unlike the Ring doorbell, there's no monthly fees associated with it. So all your recordings are stored locally, so there's no need to pay a monthly subscription for them to store your videos. So you're presented with the box, EUFY Security. And also, if you're interested in this, I'll have a link for this down in the description. You have like your installation guide, quick start guide. This is your template to show you where to drill your holes, and a EUFY security sticker. Put that on your window, keep the bad guys away. And down to the doorbell itself. Okay, not a bad design. Nice big button. Got the camera here, button here. This illuminates with like a LED around it. And on the back you have your two mounting screws. And this is the video chime. The good thing about this also is if you have any Alexas or Google Homes, you can use them as actual doorbells. So when they hit the doorbell, it'll ring here, but you also can set it up to where it will ring through your Alexa or your Google Home. Okay, and here this looks like the mounting plates. There's two of them. This one is if you want your doorbell to sit at an angle, so you can angle it towards your door a little bit more. And this one is the flat plate, so just to have it sitting flat. I think this is the one I'm going to use. And let's see what else we have in the box. One more box here. And this is just your screws and like some wires for the installation. This key here is how you get the actual doorbell off if you want to take it off for some reason. And this is the adapter for the actual plug. So this is the US model. So we have the the normal US plug. So I'm gonna get all this situated. Okay, so we got the doorbell, the plate, and the chime. Let me go ahead and throw this on now. Okay, so that and that. Alright, so let's go ahead and go outside. I'm gonna get this thing set up and see what it's all about. So now we're outside. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these two screws and attach the two wires so they can be hooked up in either polarity. So once you get them secured, try to tuck your wire the best you can.
So special.
That goes there. And then this just snaps back then. And then you snap it in that way. Pretty simple installation. So overall, really nice product. Very easy setup. The picture quality was nice. I highly recommend this. And like I said again, no monthly fees. All your storage is stored locally, so you don't have to pay any monthly storage fees to save your videos. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. 100 and let me check that for you. So this is $119 on Amazon. Amazon Prime get to you the next day. They also have a 2K version of this, which is the 2K resolution on a video feed. That one is slightly more expensive, $179, but it's the same camera, just a higher resolution. So overall, pretty good product. I will recommend it. Yeah, I have no issues with this. So if you like this type of content, please think about dropping us a like and a subscribe so we can catch you the next time. Peace out.
So special.